How to contact Bingo Blitz support. If you have been playing in the Bingo Blitz game and now have some problems on it and you want to contact to the Bingo Blitz support and don't know how to do it, don't worry, in today's video I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game just like this. After that, here you can find 3 lines just right here. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find support option. Now open it. Now here you can find the Bingo Blitz support system. Now simply tap on to search for topics right here and simply add the topic on where you are facing the problem. Just like this, which can be logging into your account. Now search for it. Then the app will provide you the support by giving you answers. Now you can simply read it and you can fix your problems. And that's it. This is how you can contact the Bingo Blitz support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.